Alright, so I just got to the house. Now we're gonna start cleaning everything out, kind of the pre-renovation cleanup. So that will entail cleaning out the garage, which has already been done, taking off any old drapes and just any old crap that's been left around the house and throwing that out. And then the real work starts. So Tim and I are gonna get started taking off all these old drapes and the curtain rods, and Kylie is editing a video. Going to the dump.
Look how much better it looks with just opening up the windows and letting all the light in. It's crazy, it's crazy.
Woo! Ooh, the echo.
So awesome, even though there's like nothing. Like, we didn't even do anything different.
It just looks less old-fashioned now.
I want to do these ones. It smells horrible. Look at these stains.
Alright, so we got all the curtains and drapes off from the whole house, so now we're left with just tons of little areas that need to be patched with a little spackling, but no big deal because we're gonna paint anyway. And then there's tons of random holes because they just put nails basically everywhere in this house. There's nail holes everywhere, so gotta get a little spackling, cover those up. Gonna be looking nice. Got some surprise help. Oh yeah.
Get to work, girl.
I am working. Here it comes.
Hey! So we're back in the house doing some more work today, and we got this cool little machine to help us take off the wallpaper.
It's so cool.
So we got lots of wallpaper to remove.
I'm excited. This is my tool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was better.
Hey Rachel, are you helping? You been good boy? Indy, are you helping us do the wallpaper?
Oh wow, looking good. No, don't do that.
Alright, we're back for another day of demo.
Okay, so it is demo day 2. Dining room and kitchen popcorn ceilings have been scraped completely. And then we ripped down as much wallpaper that we could. We pretty much only got half of the wall done, and then we have to patch some holes in the sheetrock. They have scraped all the popcorn ceilings in all of these rooms, and they're working on the hallway right now. You have to wear a heavy duty mask, and then you spray it, and you have to make sure it's wet because the dust is what can get in your lungs. So if it's wet, it won't turn into dust, it'll just fall to the ground. So, and then you just scrape it right off. And so me and my mom worked on this entire entryway wall of wallpaper. It is such a tedious and long process. And now I'm going to head into one of the 2 other bathrooms that have wallpaper. Oh my god, my hair. I look like a crazy person. I'm gonna head into one of the 2 other bathrooms and start doing the wallpaper in there. Hopefully it's easier because of all the steam from like showers and stuff. But pray for me, y'all. This wallpaper, it takes like so long, so freaking long. Here we go.
So So while Tim finishes up that other hallway, I am going to get started on this hallway.
The moment we've all been waiting for. So funny. Dude!
Construction.
The wall! Look at the wall, dude.
Now I don't have to take the sheet rock.
Everything can be fixed.
Everything can be fixed. Oh yeah, okay, it's only money. It already looks so much better. You can tell how much bigger the room is.
Yeah.
No, get that away from me. Ew. Black mold. That'll make you sick.
Moldy.
Oh, okay. Hello. Nice. There's a hole in the wall.
Maybe a footer board down there. Yeah, lift that up. There you go. There you go. Guys being dudes, it's at an awkward angle. Oh, that hurt really bad. Did you hit this? Did you hit the ceiling? 21. What is he doing? My dude. Oh. Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna miss everything.
Oh, wow, Nathan.
And what do you know? There you go. There you go.
Nice job. Ow.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, you alright?
What happened? Shoot.
I just stepped on a nail with all the way through my butt.
Oh, my God. You okay?
This already looks so much better. That's so awesome. It looks so much more open.
Kind of.
Oh God. Oh no. Here it comes. Oh yeah.
The toilet paper!
No!
Oh, now it's down.
Not the toilet paper. Bath or something coming. Ah! Wow. Look how much better that looks.
One thing back to the wind. Oh.
Today was definitely like the most intense day of demo. We're almost done with the popcorn ceilings. We ripped out a mini little wall in the bathroom. Ripped out part of the cabinets. We still have the other part to go, but it's been a really productive day. Got a lot done. I'm tired filming on an iPhone because my camera died. I need to get better at this whole filming thing, but hey, we're learning, getting a lot done. It's been productive. All right, so we're back at the house for another day of demo. We've got all the popcorn ceilings done. We've got all the carpets ripped up. We ripped out that pony wall and part of the cabinets. And now today we have to finish ripping out those other 3 cabinets. We've got to get all the nails out of the ground from where the carpets were. And then we got to finish doing all the wallpapers. So first I'm just gonna get all this up. Knock the easy thing out first. So one thing that's pretty, one thing that's still pretty annoying about this is having to wear the mask. So we finished scraping all the ceilings, but there's still kind of a mess on the ground. And all of it's still kind of along the edges that we just haven't done a super deep clean yet. So when we're picking up all this boards, it kind of kicks it up again and gets it floating around, and that's when it's bad for your lungs, is when it's floating and when the particles can be breathed in. So still gotta wear the mask, which is annoying, but gets us better safe than sorry. So you can tell that the carpet in the living room is clearly a lot newer. Getting the nails up and all the little wood in the living room was a lot more difficult. All right, so now I gotta rip out the rest of these cabinets. That way we can put floating shelves there and make it a little more open. But we took out the lights in here, so it's getting really dark. So got my brand new night vision flashlight. Oh yeah, check that out. It is 12:45 a.m. We just finished working for the night.
101.
It's 1:01 a.m. We're tired, so we're gonna leave. All right, life hack. If you ever misplace your measuring tape, just get some paper towel, lay them out. These are 11 inches long. So, doing the math, this is about the size of my bed.
You're not even making sure they line up.
You're just looking, thinking.
Well, I got 10 there, it's not 11, bro.
You're just putting in a random spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.
Move the zip.
5.